to live in a move-in ready brand new home but don't want to wait for the construction? This is the one for you. This beautiful townhome located in Park Place community offering resort style living. This gorgeous 2025 built Wexford model loaded with tons of upgrades, and it also has a 4 feet extension, giving you more living space where you will use it most. Let's start with the heart of the home, this open concept kitchen. You will love the white quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and oversized island. Perfect for both family, dinners, and entertaining friends. So why wait for new construction when you can move right in? This brand new townhome with extra space is waiting for you.